अरे वाह यार, अब तो तेरी फैमिली फिट हो जाएगी। कौन सा प्रोटीन लिया?
वे प्रोटीन ब्रो, हाई क्वालिटी तो वही है ना।
क्या यार, हर बार खुद को साइंटिस्ट मानने की तेरी हॉबी हो गई है? ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है
यार हर बार तो सही नहीं हो सकता यार। तू पीता रहा अपना वीगन प्रोटीन और बनाता रहा अपनी बॉडी, देखता हूँ तेरी बॉडी कैसे बनती है।
तू ट्राई कर भाई, वीगन
कुछ नहीं होता है, वीगन बहुत गंदा होता है, उसमें होता नहीं,
बहुत अच्छा
प्रोटीन
टेस्ट
नहीं
होता है,
अमीनो
अरे
एसिड्स
एकदम
नहीं
बेस्ट
होते,
होता है,
बकवास होता है।
अरे फिर लड़ने लग गए ये लोग, बार बार लड़ेंगे और मुझे हर बार एक नया वीडियो बनाना पड़ेगा क्या? खैर छोड़ो, ये प्लांट बेस्ड प्रोटीन वर्सेस वे प्रोटीन की लड़ाई भी सॉल्व करते हैं। In our last video, I gave you the very sad news of India being a protein deficient country. But I also gave you this very good news of trusted protein powders being absolutely safe and we can all use them to solve this protein deficiency. अब ये सुन के सालों से जिम जाने वाले and सालों से प्रोटीन पाउडर पीने वाले will rejoice and throw a little party because उनकी बात सच हो गई and पार्टी में सर्व होगा instead of alcohol, protein shakes. Oh wait, small correction. पार्टी में सर्व होगा only whey protein shakes. And this is because of a very common belief in the fitness community, that is, plant-based protein powders are of low quality. But before we prove this belief wrong and hurt their ego a little, we need to get to the root of why they believe in this and how they have been right for the most part. First, let me tell you what protein quality is. Protein quality is an indicator for how much protein in that protein containing food is absorbed and used by the body for the protein to do its job. अब हमारे इतने सारे वीडियो से ये तो आपको पता चल ही गया होगा that we need protein to build muscle, to build strength, to improve performance, for our skin's health, for our hair's health, to build immunity and many more vital functions in our body. A high quality protein source ensures that most of the proteins present in it do all of these jobs. A low quality protein source, on the other hand, will not be able to use most of the proteins in it for them to do their job. Let me explain this with an example. Now consider there are two teams of 25 workers each. अब ये दोनों टीम में से टीम 1 ने 10 माले की बिल्डिंग बना दी वर्सेस टीम 2 ने वही 25 कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्कर से खाली 5 माले की बिल्डिंग बनाई. Now let's consider team 1 is the high quality protein team and team 2 is the low quality protein team. Similarly, 25 grams of protein coming from a low quality protein source will not be able to do so much work as the 25 grams from a high quality protein. So when it comes to protein quality, it is actually true that plant-based protein sources will have a significantly lower protein quality than animal-based protein sources. But wait, हम ये protein containing foods की बात कर रहे हैं. Will this be true for plant-based supplements? Let's find out. Now let's move to the two major factors determining the protein quality. First, the protein's digestibility and absorption. Basically, वो food के अंदर कितना protein है versus उसमें से आपका body कितना absorb कर रहा है. All plant-based proteins have a fibrous structure that surrounds the protein, which makes it harder for the body to absorb it. Animal proteins, on the other hand, simply don't have this fibrous structure. Studies show that almost 80 to 95% of the proteins in animal proteins are digested and absorbed by the body, versus the number is only 50 to 75% in plant proteins. But this problem is beautifully solved when the plant-based protein food is turned into a supplement. When we extract the protein from a plant-based protein source, we remove all the fats, carbs, and all the fibrous structures present in it. So the protein absorption becomes as good as an animal-based protein source. Second, the amino acid profile. Once the body absorbs all the protein, the step 2 is how much the protein will do its job after its absorption. And that depends on the amino acids present in the protein. Amino acids are the building blocks of protein, and there should be all of them present for the protein to do its job effectively. There are 9 essential amino acids that every protein source should have. अब इसमें से अगर एक भी amino acid present नहीं होता, the protein will not be able to do its job. Now the problem with plant-based protein foods and plant-based protein supplements is that they are particularly low on one amino acid, leucine. And leucine is the most important amino acid that starts the process of muscle building. But the problem of less leucine for muscle building only exists in one condition, when the total protein intake of the entire day is not adequate. जब आप अपने पूरे दिन में adequate protein लेते हो, this problem is solved. It is because of these reasons that plant-based protein foods and plant-based protein supplements have a huge difference in protein quality. अब आपका क्वेश्चन ये होगा कि अगर दोनों ही सिमिलर है तो वे की जगह प्लांट बेस्ड लेना ही क्यों है? फर्स्ट, if you are lactose intolerant or you're lactose sensitive, then whey protein powder will give you digestive issues. Then आपके लिए plant-based protein perfect है. Second, if you experience acne breakouts with whey protein supplementation, then आपके लिए plant-based protein perfect है. Third, if you think drinking whey protein supplement is unfair to animals or the environment, then आपके लिए plant-based protein perfect है. And now, अपने वे प्रोटीन के भक्तों को ये वीडियो बताना एंड उनको ये कहना कि प्रोटीन कंप्लीट करने के चक्कर में दे डोंट हैव टू सफर थ्रू smelly farts, acne breakouts, and moral guilt towards animals and environment. You can easily switch to a plant-based protein powder and get the same results.